Updating the software on your Family Hub refrigerator helps to add new features and fix any bugs or issues. To check for an update, pull down the Quick panel. Tap Settings, and then tap About Family Hub. If an update is available, Update will appear. Just tap it to update. If an update isn't available, tap Software Update to see your current version.